How to convert Canva website to Squarespace. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to convert your Canva website into one of your website that you have in Squarespace. Now, to get started, let me tell you first that unfortunately there is no direct way for you to be able to just easily convert your entire website from Canva into Squarespace. Although there is no direct way, it is still absolutely possible for you to be able to add your different Canva projects, different Canva website elements into our Squarespace over here through their feature embed in Canva, as you can see, which will basically allow us to embed our design in any website by simply copy and pasting the code into the website that you prefer. So, although it is not directly converting your Canva website into Squarespace, you could still technically build an entire Squarespace website just with Canva element, which I guess you could correlate or you could assume or be happy with that you are able to or you were able to build an entire website using different Canva elements, which is typically what a Canva website is, wherein you build the website using Canva's different features, such as everyone's favorite, the elements feature, where you can search and look up all kinds of elements and put it into your design. Now, what I want you guys to first do is to go to your Squarespace. Before you do anything in Canva, you first should select something in Squarespace, or rather, if you have a built website already in Canva, you could simply look for a similar template color or design in Squarespace over here, and you could choose from any of those. So, for example, this one, let's start with this design. So let's show you how you will be able to input or embed your different Canva designs. So I'll be using this as an example over here. So let's say I have this specific page. So over here in Squarespace, let's wait for our website over here to load. We're going to be waiting. There we go. We are now able to begin modifying our website design. So let me close this one for now. Let's edit our website over here. So click on edit, and then let's add some elements into our page. So let's say, let me remove stuff for now. Remove this, so it's a bit cleaner. Let me remove this. We remove this, this one. So we have a big space over here, big open space. There we go. Now let's edit this section. Now over here we have our different options over here. Where's this section where we will be able to add elements? So we want to be able to add some embeds. So let's see. Let's look where it is located. So we have themes, fonts, buttons, forms. I'm not sure if this is the right one that we're looking for. Give me a second. So miscellaneous. We have blocks over here. This is not the right one. So what we're trying to look for is the embed option for us to be able to embed something into our website. So add block. Oh, there we go. We're going to search for embed. Oh, there we go. We have code. Simply select your code over here. For this one, we have it over here. So this one is for HTML. So go now here, over here on your Canva design. Click on share. Click on see all. And then we have the option over here, embed. Let me zoom in over here so you guys can see. We have the option to embed. So simply select that, click on embed. Now we have our HTML embedded code. So simply copy that one, go over here, and simply paste our website over here. So let's see, display source code, or I could display not source code. There we go. And now we have our little tiny section over here that contains our Canva element. Now, what do I recommend for this one? Also, if you guys don't want this part at the bottom, we could look over here. We could remove this entire text over here. There we go. So if you guys, as you can see, we were able to put our element over here that came from Canva into our Squarespace website. So now, if you want to have this entire section over here dedicated for that, what we could do is we could build different pages or different sections that would normally comprise a website. So for example, this one over here, we have a product catalog over here. You could put this into your design. So for example, this entire thing, let's use this as an example. So now we're going to, let me open it again, access this. So let's go and click on share, the same button that we saw earlier, or the same button we used earlier. Let's just wait for this to load. Wait a few seconds. There we go. Click on share, click on embed. I already tried embed over here on this specific design earlier today. So let me copy the same thing. So let's add block once again. Code, modify it, paste it over here, remove the indentation. There we go. And now we have a new section or a new part dedicated to our specific section. So let me remove this as well. There we go. And now we have another design over here that you could simply put into your website. And now you could even view or skim through the different contents. Well, supposedly, after you view this, you will be able to view the different contents. So now you could simply build your Squarespace by just using different Canva elements. So technically, you're building your Wix website, or rather your Canva website, and then using it inside of Squarespace, or rather building Squarespace website using Canva elements, which is technically the same thing. So anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.